Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to Beginners IAS. We will discuss about FATF, Financial Action Task Force. So, FATF was established in 1989 by the G7 members countries. So, let us see about G7 members countries. The G7 members countries are Canada, France, Italy, Germany, Japan, UK, US. I will repeat you once again: Canada, France, Italy, Germany, Japan, UK, US. So, this FATF is located in Paris. So, the main objective of the FATF is to make a policies and standards to combat financial crime. So one must have to note that it is the intergovernmental organization. So the recommendations created by the FATF are: the countries target money laundering and terror financing, other threats to the global financial system. So currently there are 39 members of the Financial Action Task Force. So these members includes European Commission and Gulf Cooperation Council. So to become a member, the country must be considered strategically important, that is large population, large GDP, developed banking, insurance sector, etc. So this Financial Action Task Force was initially started to combat money laundering. So it has also been expanded to target the financing for weapons of mass destruction, corruption, and terrorist financing. And all the developed countries support, almost all the developed countries support, are the members of FATF. And the international organizations like Interpol, IMF, OECD, World Bank also participate as a observer. So these international organizations also have some involvement in anti money laundering. So let us see about few more facts related to FATF. This FATF has two lists, namely blacklist and grey list. This blacklist is nothing but the countries that are supporting terror funding and money laundering activities are placed in blacklist. FATF revises blacklist list, which are the countries present in the blacklist, which are the countries present in the grey list. So as of now, North Korea and Iran are kept in blacklist. So let us see about grey list. The grey list, that is the countries which are not considered as the safe haven for supporting terror financing and money laundering. Grey list, that is the grey list is not severe as blacklist. So that is, if a country is unable to curb mushrooming, terror financing and money laundering activities, will move from grey list to blacklist. That is, it is giving a yellow card to the football players. So that is called as, it is a warning given to the country. So what are the problems facing by the FATF countries present in grey list? So let us see about the problem facing by the countries present in the grey list. So the economic sanctions from the international organizations and getting loan from the international organizations such as IMF and World Bank is very difficult, and also reduction in international trade. These are the some kind of problems facing by the countries present in the grey list. Now let us see about the India status. So India became an observer in 2006, and in 2010 India has become a member of a FATF. FATF. So kindly note that India is a member of FATF. So here we are having a question, two questions we are having here in this slide. Try to answer in the comment section. Thank you.